All right, so when we're cutting the sleeve block, we already added allowance at the top, the sides, the bottom of the block itself. So these places that are plain are the block itself. The places that are shaded are the pleated portion, those ones that would go in. So when we are adding allowance now, we are not going to add allowance to this portion here, the plain portion. We are going to be adding allowance just to the shaded portion, because that is where we'll be working with. All right, so let's see if this shows. 1/4 inch beneath here. You see this line that cuts in this way? All right, this line is the overlap. You know, some pleats went into others, so this one acts as the overlap here. So the same way you're going to go in. All right, so add your 1/4, add your 1/4. You see, when you're going to cut all these places that are open this way, you will cut them in because they are acting as the overlap. So some can go under some. So don't forget, very important. So all the way, you had your 1/4 inch all the way. So let's quickly now one of the most important things you need to do is notch at every point, so you know where a pleat starts and where a pleat ends. All right, so so for now, you can actually easily fold into your pleats, starting from the middle. So all right, now you can start folding in your pleat. For now, I will advise you leave your pattern on your sleeve so that you don't mix up the folding, right? But when you are better at it, you would know exactly where to fold. Once you start with one, you come with the other, come with the other, come with the other until it's complete. So I'm going to start with this guy here up to the pleat point. I'm actually a big fan of ironing, and I try my best to iron as much as I can for each line for the best possible outcome. All right, once you have done that, you want to do the second. Now this side, you see those slitted areas, some of those guys will go and overlap there. All right, so still that cut. Once you have done this, you can now gently remove your pattern from it. Now I've secured it by ironing. I want to remove the pins, then enter. So from the middle, you know you went this way first, right? So one after the other. All right, so when you want to sew, you're going to pick it from here. Mind you, this is another stout line. You could actually make your front like this. It depends on you as a designer. What are you trying to create? If you don't want this to be the front of the dress, this could be the front of the dress. So when pleating, you concentrate more on the back. You pleat from the back, right? So that you can, these places that are, you know, half this way will be behind if you are going to make this place the front of your dress. So whatever way you choose, you can easily manipulate through this method. So when you want to sew now, you sew this side closed, you sew this side closed, you sew this side closed, all together, so they are sitting as one piece. Do you understand?